Hi everyone, in previous video you looked at a few clustering algorithms. Today we're going to look at how to visualize the results of clustering. Since clustering is very popular, so there are already a lot of tools that you can use. For example, in D3 there are a few built-in techniques such as the sunburst chart, bubble chart, and hierarchical graph layout, and also tree map. So if you have text clusters or topics where a topic is determined by the strength of participation in that topic, then you can visualize this data, this clustering information, as a matrix, as in the termite work by Jeff Hare and his students. So here, more participation is visualized by a larger and darker circle. So for example, in topic 17, you can see that the word communities, social, networks, and so on is highly associated with that topic. So whenever we're visualizing data as a matrix, often the ordering is very important. For example, on the left, if the participation of word in topics are not clusters or ordered, then you may not see any pattern. But on the other hand, if you use a technique called seriation, that means you're reordering the word and topic by their collocation, then you can group the participation of words together so that the pattern becomes much clearer. For example, now for the topic number 17, in blue, you'll see all the words grouped together. So if you're doing clustering for graph data, then you can use color, which is a very common way to distinguish between the different cluster of nodes in the graph. And also similarly, you can extend this idea to also use convex help. So that means you're using the boundary and also the spatial location to visualize not only community, but also subgroup within it. And similar to topics of text, you can also visualize graph data as a matrix. And in this case, we are visualizing the adjacency matrix of the graph. And similar to the termite example, ordering also very important. So by appropriate ordering, you can see the graph community service in the visualization, as in this example below. In this video, we'll look at a few examples of how to visualize clustering results, such as for text data, for graph data, and so on.